Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic, search beyond Google, how influencers are shaping the way we discover content. While Google has been the go-to for years when we're looking for something online, a new era is upon us, and it's all about influencers. In this video, we'll explore how influencers are reshaping how we discover content, make purchasing decisions, and engage with brands. And we'll also look at how businesses, especially digital marketers, can leverage this shift to grow faster. The rise of influencer-driven discovery. Influencers are no longer just celebrities with millions of followers. Today, influencers come in all shapes and sizes, micro, macro, and even virtual. What really sets them apart? Their ability to build genuine connections and trust with their audience. This trust means when they recommend a product or service, their followers listen. Influencers, the new gatekeepers of content discovery. In fact, 50.7% of brands using influencer marketing see it driving e-commerce sales directly. This means that influencer marketing is not just about awareness anymore, it's about conversions. And platforms like Impact.com are giving businesses the tools they need to automate, scale, and track influencer campaigns like never before. The changing role of SEO in Google. What does this mean for SEO and digital marketing in 2025? Traditional search engines like Google are no longer the only players in the game. As influencers take the lead in content discovery, marketers are shifting their focus from just ranking on Google to strategically partnering with influencers whose audiences trust them. Authenticity is key, navigating the challenges. But it's not all smooth sailing. Businesses need to be cautious. Authenticity is key. Consumers are looking for genuine recommendations, not just paid ads. That's why maintaining alignment with the right influencers, who truly believe in your product or service, is critical. How can digital marketers adapt? So, what's the takeaway for digital marketers and SEO professionals in 2025? You need to go beyond the Google search box. Start thinking about how you can partner with influencers, tap into their loyal communities, and create content that resonates with your target audience. Why partner with IndeedSEO for 2025 success? It's clear that influencer-driven content discovery is changing the marketing landscape. To stay ahead, you need to keep up with these trends. At IndeedSEO, we help brands navigate this new world by integrating influencer marketing with strong SEO strategies for maximum visibility and growth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more digital marketing tips and trends. See you in the next one.